Hi guys. So today we were seeing the properties of integers. Integers properties we are studying, in which part 1 and part 2 I have already posted. In part 1 the closure property was there and part 2 was the associative as well as commutative property we have explained. So right now we are moving to the third part, that is the properties of an integer, that is nothing but identity property and its inverses. Okay, now let me explain why I have written only addition and multiplication, because subtraction and division do not have the identity element as well as inverses also. Okay, so that is why today we will see the identity property for addition and multiplication only. Chalo, so let's just start it. Now first we will see identity property of an integers over addition. Okay, what is the additive identity? Identity का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of identity? That itself, right? वो खुद, whatever identity, आपकी पहचान. Okay, so when I'm going to add any number with a zero, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting the same number, that is an identical number, right? So I can say zero is my identity element. Why? क्योंकि मैं अगर जीरो के साथ किसी भी नंबर को ऐड करती हूँ तो मुझे आइडेंटिकल एलिमेंट मिलता है. मतलब मैं 5 को जीरो के साथ ऐड करूँ, आई विल बी गेटिंग 5. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड जीरो -6, आई विल बी गेटिंग -6, right? So zero is acting as my mirror, that whatever number is adding with that mirror, the same number is reflection I'm getting. Okay, so that is why zero is known as the additive identity. Okay, zero is known as the additive identity or identity element of addition. Okay, for integers. Now zero is there into the whole numbers also, zero is there into the rational numbers also. So zero is the additive identity for rational number also and whole number also, except natural number, because zero is not into natural number. Zero is not there into the natural number, so that is why zero is not a additive identity of a natural number. Okay, chalo. So let's just move ahead with the additive inverses. What is the meaning of inverse? Okay, so what is the meaning of inverse? That if I'm going to add any particular two integers or any two numbers, then my answer should be the identity element. अभी ये एडिटिव इनवर्स है, मतलब अगर मैं कोई दो नंबर्स को ऐड करती हूँ तो मुझे एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी मिलनी चाहिए, राइट? और एडिशन का आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट क्या है? जीरो. मतलब इफ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड एनी टू नंबर्स एंड माय आंसर इज जीरो, देन दैट टू नंबर्स आई कैन से एडिटिव इनवर्सेस ऑफ ईच अदर. वो दो नंबर्स को मैं क्या कहूंगी कि वो एक दूसरे के इनवर्सेस है, right? So the sum of the number and its additive inverses is always a zero. Okay, so let's just take an example. +3 and -3. If I'm going to add these two numbers, I'll be getting a zero answer. If I'm going to add -2 and +2, my answer will be zero. So in the mathematics, what we can say generally, the additive inverse of a number is itself a number with the opposite sign, right? मतलब नंबर तो वही है, बट बस उसका साइन अलग अलग होना चाहिए, then only I will get addition zero, right? So if my positive number is there, then it's what we can say, inverse is negative. If my number is negative, then its inverse is positive. So for example, 3 is having its additive inverse -3, 2 is having its additive inverse -2, and vice versa. Okay, now we see additive identity element of addition is zero, and zero is present into the rationals also, right? So rationals can also have the additive inverses, because rational contains positive negative numbers like integers. So if my first rational is 2 by 5, then its additive inverse will be -2 by 5, the same number with the opposite sign. Okay, if I'm going to add these two, I'll be getting a zero. Okay, so this is how we can see the additive inverses are the inverses in which the same number is there, only the sign is different, because we want the answer to be additive identity, and that is zero. Okay, and zero is the only number with its additive inverse. मतलब zero एक ऐसा ही number है जिसका additive inverse भी zero ही होता है and answer भी zero ही होता है, right? Because zero is not a positive, not a negative number, right? Okay, guys, so we have seen the additive identity and its inverses. Now we are moving ahead with the multiplicative identity. Okay, now what is the multiplicative identity? Same. I want identical element as an answer. So which number will work as my mirror? एडिशन में 0 हमारा मिरर था कि जो भी नंबर हम उसके साथ ऐड करेंगे सेम आंसर आई विल बी गेटिंग. नाउ इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन व्हिच नंबर विल एक्ट एज अ मिरर, so that number will get multiply with any integer and that integer will be my answer. For example 5, if I'm going to multiply 5 with which number, so I should get answer 5 only, and that is nothing but a 1. ओके, इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई, अगर मैं एक को -7 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ तो मेरा आंसर क्या आ रहा है, -7. मीन्स हियर 1 इज एक्टिंग एज अ मिरर. ओके, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में मेरा मिरर कौन है, 1. सो माई आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट ऑफ अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन दैट इज 1. Okay, because whatever number I'm going to multiply with a 1, the same image I'll be getting. मतलब 1 is acting my mirror. 1 के साथ मैं किसी भी नंबर को ये करूँ, same reflection I'll be getting. Okay, so 1 is present into the integers also. 1 is there into the whole number, natural and rational number also. So for all the numbers, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Right? Now just moving ahead to the multiplicative inverses. Moving ahead to the multiplicative inverses. Now what is the inverses? Same like addition. Addition में क्या होता था कि कोई भी दो नंबर्स का एडिशन करो, अगर मेरा आंसर आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट है तो वो दोनों नंबर एक दूसरे के इनवर्सेस है. Same with the multiplication, that if I'm going to multiply any two numbers with each other and I am getting the answer as my multiplicative identity. मेरी multiplicative identity क्या है, 1. तो मुझे कोई दो इंटीजर्स का मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 चाहिए. अगर वो दोनों इंटीजर्स या फिर नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 है, then I can say these two are multiplicative inverses of each other. Okay, and multiplicative inverses are also called as a reciprocal. Why? That we will see into the examples. Now my first example, that what number I should multiply to the 2, so I'll be getting 1 as my multiplicative identity. Okay, अब मैं 2 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करूँ, 2 1 जा 2, बट नो, मुझे आंसर क्या चाहिए, 1 चाहिए. तो आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1, आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 1/2. तो क्या होगा, 2 will get cancelled and what will remain, that is 1. Okay, same procedure, if I'm going to multiply -3 with a -1/3, what will happen, 3 will get cancelled and minus minus multiplication becomes plus, and again my answer will be +1, because 1 is the multiplicative identity, not -1. Okay, so this is what we are getting, but my 1/2 and -1/3 are not the integer, and that is why we see that integers does not contain the multiplicative inverses, because when whatever number I am getting as a multiplicative inverses, they are nothing but the reciprocal of the numbers which are in the form of p by q, and integers तो p by q के format में नहीं हो सकते. So integers doesn't contain its multiplicative inverses except 1 and -1. Now why I have written 1 and -1? Because 1 into 1 1, मुझे आंसर क्या चाहिए, 1 चाहिए, तो 1 into 1 1 ही होगा, and -1 into -1 I'll be getting my +1. Now you can, if confusion is there how minus minus becomes plus, then you can see the video in which I have already explained the rules of plus minus, multiplication, addition, subtraction and division, and that link also posted into the description box, so you can get access of it. Okay, so what we can say, 1 and -1 are the only integers which are their own reciprocals. Okay, means 1 and -1 are the only two integers, numbers, rationals, whatever you can say. These are the only numbers which are their own reciprocals, or you can say the multiplicative inverses. Okay, so here we have seen the identity elements for addition and multiplication and its inverses also. Okay, so in the next part only the distributive property is remaining. So the next distributive property is also shared, this link is also shared into the description box, so you can have access of that also. So stay tuned. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.